You, how many pictures will you have? When do you want to write on that part? Send me, I will write.
I love to drink coffee. As a matter of fact.
Pero pak, may kamatis ka mo.
Yung puta.
Hindi buka mo doon yun.
Alin?
Yung post po.
Yung puta. Ibuka mo talaga. Ako lang nga pagkaalam ko kasi ako lang yung bumubok.
Magdi lang ang tanay ko.
Diyos.
school.
Bago lalabas yan, bibigyan din.
Ha?
Tigil lang tayo lahat.
Mm. Sa school lang, wala pa naman akong kapera-pera.
Diyos.
Tapos na?
Yes!
Yes. Ito, wag na lahat buksan. Wag na lahat kasi
It's a faces now.
yes.
Still not yet sent. So it's before let them to go. So the chocolate
Tingnan ko ba yan? Okay. Yellow. No, yellow. I'm good.
No.
This one goes to.
Caramel.
Joseph? Yeah.
Wait. You didn't open your account? Yeah. No, back.
How's it open? Come.
Open the door.
You take the cookie?
Let's take the come back. I will put this on.
It's very nice.
Yes.
Very nice. It's very nice. Thank you. I'll take. Can you put that? I'll take one photo.
Ay, hindi.
Now you make for Sarah and Maria. Now we have for Sarah and Maria. Later I'll ask them to sing together.
Yan.
Doon na.
Yes.
Halika na.
Wait.
I told you, that's what.
Dito.
Hello. Sandali lang. Papasalamat po ako sa nanonood ng aking video. At please subscribe our channel and please click the notification para marami pa kayong mapanood sa aking video. Salamat po. Hola, amiga, amigo, mga nini, mga tuto. Thank you.